Hi my dear all students. I'm feeling my dear students all are fine, right? Okay. Today I will going to introduce an important topic in our chapter 6. The topic is subset, right? Okay. I will going to introduce the explanation what is subset, right? You can look at here. The set A is said to be a subset of B, right? Okay. The set A is said to be a subset of B if every element of A is the element of set B, right? Okay, explanation already here. Set A is said to be a subset of B, right? Means set A subset B का subset कैसे बोलेगा, right? Okay, हम लोग कैसे बोलेगा? इसमें you can every elements of A is also an element of B, right? Element A set में set A में कितना elements होते हैं, right? The same elements set B में भी होना चाहिए, right? Then we can say that set A is a subset of set B, right? Okay, I will introduce some example to you, right? For the subsets, okay? Subset के I will introduce some simple examples, right? Okay, you can check this in here. Commonly we will denote the set sign subset, okay, right? You can check this in here. A subset of B, right? We will use the sign, okay, is equal to C only, right? Subset sign is C. Right, okay, right? From here, I will give an example to you, right? The set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The same way, set B is equal to 1, 2, right? This is a two sets, right? Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 1, 2, right? From here, you can observe here, right? We can observe here, set A elements is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The same elements, right? Set B, 1 is there, right? Is provided, the same element is providing on the set B also, the 2, right? The same element is providing on the set B also, right? Okay. From here, we can possible to say, set A is the subset of B, right? Set A is the subset of B, right? Okay, the same way, we can give more example, right? More example means I will introduce a simple other one example also, right? Okay, this I feeling this example already after you understand, right? Okay, then next means I will introduce a simple example, right? For the alphabetical example also we can say, right? The set A is equal to spelling of follow, right? Set B is equal to the spelling of wolf, okay, right? Then here we can possible to say the set B and the A. Set A is a subset of set B, right? Because only one reason, you can take the elements in set B, right? W is providing in the set A also, same like O is providing in the set A also, L and F also is there in the set A, right? From here also we can possible to say A subset of B, A subset of B, right? Okay, this is the main examples of the simple examples of subsets, right? Okay, I'm feeling that all students are understand what's the subsets, okay, right? And the next one I will going to introduce, right? The real numbers, subsetting real numbers, right? Real numbers we already learned before, N, Q, R, okay? The real numbers, that is that we can say that integers, right? Okay. The same here, you can observe here for the first one, right? Natural numbers, right? We can take all natural numbers, right? You can take all natural numbers, right? All natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, right? The real numbers mean the natural numbers, okay? We can say natural number, okay? All natural numbers is the subset of all whole numbers, right? Okay, the natural number is a subset of all whole numbers, right? Okay, the same way, the all that integers, okay? Integers is a subset of natural numbers and the whole numbers, right? Natural and the whole numbers. Integers is subset of natural and the whole numbers, right? Because only one reason, you can check this one. Natural numbers, right? Is starting from 1, right? The same way whole numbers is starting from 0, right? Okay, the every elements is set A, right? Natural number sets, the providing the whole number sets also, right? The same way from here integers, right? Integers means the first one is in here natural number, every elements are providing on natural number and every elements are providing on whole numbers also, right? Okay, this is the subset in real numbers, right? This is the main example of subset in real numbers, right? Okay, and the next one, the intervals of the subsets, right? The intervals of the subsets, right? Okay, interval means the starting, every sets, okay, have the starting and the ending point is there, right? Simple example, interval we can possible to say the first interval, right? Commonly we are denoting the intervals in brackets, okay, right? Simple example, set A is equal to, okay, set of all x such that x greater than, okay, is it 1 greater than x, okay, greater than is equal to 1, right? 12, okay, 1 greater than x greater than is equal to 12, right? From here the starting, right, is a greater than 1, not greater than or equal to, right? Okay, here means greater than or equal to 12, right? From here we can say we will denote these are intervals, right? Common bracket, right? Because from here greater than, right? That's why we are using the common brackets, right? Okay, and the same like we can say A, B, we will use the square brackets, right? We will use the square brackets because of interval. This is a greater than or equal to, this is a greater than, okay, right? This is a greater than and this is a greater than or equal to. For that we are using the different types of brackets, right? The same way you can check this in here, the second one, right? The A is equal to set of all x such that, right, 1 greater than or equal to x greater than 6. This is the next one question, right? Okay, from this question, this example, you can check this in here. The first thing, 1 greater than or equal to, right? From here we have provided the equal to, right? Okay, from here means you can check this in here. We will use the square bracket in first because there the equal to is came, right? Okay, then you can check this in here, right? A, B, right? It's an examples only. Then let the elements A, B. Then lastly we will use the common brackets, right? Okay, the only one thing only for that means intervals, right? Okay, where the equal to, right, greater than or equal to, otherwise less than or equal to is coming, from there we will put the square brackets, right? Where the greater than, otherwise less than is providing, we seeing, right? From there you can put the common brackets, right? That's the specialty of intervals in bracket, okay, right? From here means I'm feeling that all students are understand this one, right? Okay, and if you have any doubt means about this means, you can personally you can call and you can ask me. I will explain the explanations and I will give some other examples also to you, right? Okay, I'm going to winding up my today's classes. I'm feeling all students are satisfied for this class. Okay, then for time.